Any luck? I don't think so. So much to cure number 2. Right. So let's try cure number 3. Drinking a glass of water. All right. Grrr. Monster. Monster. The book says I have to drink an old glass of water only once. I hope this works. What was that? It came from upstairs. Max, what do you think you're doing? Dragging your shoe over a place. Monster! Max, I can't play monster with you right now. I still pain. Come on, please. With trying to leave curious, another one worked. And there's only one more. What is it? Don't forget. Monster! Cure number 4. Scare them away. But how are you going to scare me if I am not going to try?